Hello and a very happy new year. A few years ago, I was tired, overwhelmed, and drained. I was working endlessly and living an aimless life. And that's when my coach had a very serious, life changing conversation with me that led me to rediscovering myself through books, courses, podcasts, and a lot of inner work. And in today's video, I will share with you the 5 most life changing mindset shifts that I went through and how you can leverage them in your life this year. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you can get notified each time I release a new video. And now, let's make 2024 your best year yet. The first one is living multiple lives. Most of us believe and live a very two-dimensional life, which is of work and life. And there are two problems with it. The first one is that it puts work and life at an equal level, which is wrong because work is a part of life. The moment we put them at the same level, work gets the same level of attention or sometimes even more than life, leading to a feeling of days passing by with no joy. Second, it leaves no space whatsoever for anything else because we try to complete work so that we can focus on life. I was brought up in a culture where it was all about working hard so that you can enjoy life later. So truly living and enjoying life was always postponed because the reality is that the work never ends. Instead, what you can do is you can design your life to be multidimensional, where work, family, play, hobbies, and health are an integral part of your life. Once I understood this concept and changed my mindset, I was able to create space for unfulfilled dreams that truly gave me joy. I was able to channel my love for creativity into writing, podcasting, and speaking. I was also able to redesign my schedules such that there was space for everything, such that my health didn't suffer because I was working too hard, or my family life didn't suffer because I was giving all my attention to work. The second is living life abundantly. We often keep telling ourselves that we need to be successful. We have long ways to go. We need to make more money. We are always in this constant deprived state of not having enough. Instead, if we use an abundance mindset, we can use the law of attraction to live the best life. Abundance mindset is not about fake positivity or pretending to be rich and going out and spending all that you have to buy designer shoes or clothes and just assuming that somehow money or success or love will magically appear in our lives. It's about changing our focus to what we already have and a plan to get more of what we have less and desire more. The abundant mindset is about understanding that and giving law of attraction a chance to work. I don't know if you have heard about it or not, but there's a tech community app called Blind and I'm part of that. And people who are on this application always talk about millions of dollars of worth that they have, net worth that they have, and still how unfulfilled their life is. You can be running after money, fame, success only to get there and realize that it means nothing to you and it doesn't give you true happiness. I've been there. When I realized the concept of living abundantly, I calculated how much money I needed for financial freedom and created strategies to get there. An important thing to realize is that there's only a certain amount of money that you need to live comfortably. I created an investment strategy and multiple streams of income to get there. And that's because I didn't want to be in an all-consuming corporate job till the end of my life. I wanted to lead a fulfilling multidimensional life. Similarly, I also worked on what abundance meant for me in terms of health, family, hobbies, my impact. By adopting an abundance mindset, I'm getting closer to my goal of having a fulfilling life. Third is to measure what matters. My work in the corporate environment has required me to take a data-driven approach in every decision that I make. And this habit has also influenced other parts of my life. So I used to measure everything. How many awards was I winning every month? How many press or media articles were written about me or I had contributed to? How many subscribers I was gaining every day? And this desire to constantly measure was wearing me down. I sometimes missed the bigger picture of aligning these measurement criteria to my overall success and goals. So I changed my mindset to measure only what matters. With this mindset shift, I was able to focus on things that really mattered to me. For example, there was a time when I was really focusing on impressions on my LinkedIn posts. After a while, I realized that the impact that I was going for and what I wanted came from engagement and not impressions. So I changed what I was measuring. So next time when you're on a vacation or when you're with your friends, rather than thinking about how many selfies or pictures you take, you might want to measure how many memories you are building. And similarly, changing your data driven approach to not measure everything, but measuring things that truly matter. The next is to keep it simple. You don't have to slog and work on every possible task or an idea to get to your desired state of abundance. In almost all aspects of our life, 20% of the tasks derive 80% of the results. So if you understand which 20% of the tasks will get you where you want to be, you've already figured out the game. You're already ahead in this game. Most of us overcomplicate things. Our things to do list is huge every single day. We want to finish everything on our task list to get that feeling of accomplishment. And we do this without pausing and asking if the task should even be on our list. By learning how to delegate, deflect, and eliminate, you can focus on the big 20% that will give you 80% of the desired results. This works true for businesses, it works true for finance, it works true for family life and personal life, it works true for the hobbies and the purpose that you have. It works true everywhere. We all think that busyness is a sign of success. The reality is that the flexibility and the ability to use your time as you desire is a sign of success. And the fifth is you are your purpose. Let me ask you, who are you? How would you introduce yourself? I used to often introduce myself as a project manager at NIT or a senior vice president at Skillsoft. Very soon, I realized that my identity was anchored and tied to temporary things that could be taken away from me. Titles, companies, award, fame, those created a fake sense of accomplishment, importance, and security for me. And this is what we need to let go of. Your identity should be yours, something that nobody can take away from you, something that matters to you, holds importance to you, so much so that you're willing to make it your identity. And that's why defining your purpose becomes the most important thing. When you tie your identity to your purpose, no one can take it away from you. It's yours forever to hold. My purpose in life is to empower leaders to discover, visualize, and actualize their success and help make this world an equitable world for all. Everything that I do is centered around this purpose. No one can take it away from me. This purpose guides me every single day and gives me the courage to walk away from the things that don't serve the purpose. So those are the mindset shifts that have helped me grow immensely in last couple of years. These are my lessons learned that have come through a lot of introspection, a lot of inner work. They've helped me find my purpose in life, and now I wake up excited. I know where I am going in life, and there is a sense of excitement coupled with calmness. I will continue to evolve by leveraging these mindsets this year and make this year the best year of my life yet. And I would love to hear from you. Which of these mindsets excite you the most for making this year the best year of your life yet? Share your personal goals and aspirations for the upcoming year in the comments below. And for more insights like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on the new videos. Remember, this is just the beginning of your exciting journey into 2024. Cheers to a fantastic year ahead. Have a successful week. Bye-bye.